Hi there, this is Shamil from Zhengzhou New Century Digital Technology Company. Today I'm going to introduce our FEDAR FD1900 Model 2. This model comes with double Epson I3200-A1 printheads. The printing width is 1.8 meter and 2-pass printing speed can reach up to 90 square meter per hour and 4-pass speed can reach up to 55 square meter per hour. The carriage of this model is different than our other models. As you can see, the color of this carriage is golden. The printer is supported by 3600 watt external dryer to dry the printed media, and here we have the control box of the dryer. You can control the temperature from here. CMYK ink supply system is supported by 5-liter large ink tanks which provide continuous ink supply, and here we also have ink alarm system which will alert you when there is an ink shortage. Right now we have 50-gram paper loaded here, and with this paper, feeding system of this printer supports 300-meter paper, and take-up system supports 200-meter paper loading. All about this model. This model will be your best choice if you are a beginner and don't have too many printing jobs to complete. If you have any questions about this model, feel free to contact us. Bye bye.